You, as a human being, you grow out of this physical universe in just exactly the same way that an apple grows off an apple tree. So let's say the tree which grows apples is a tree which apples. And a world in which human beings arrive is a world that peoples. And so the existence of people is symptomatic of the kind of universe we live in. But we have been brought up not to feel that we belong in the world. We say, face facts. We talk about encounters with reality. But you see, you are the Big Bang, the original force of the universe, coming on as whoever you are. Then you find out that in making this description, you cannot confine yourself to what happens inside the skin. That what I am involves what you are.